How to change app language in the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to use the Wise app in a different language, well in this video I will show you how to change the language in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as language. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, just tap on language, and here once you see the interface like this, you can choose your preferred language from the list. So here I'm gonna simply select this one, and once you select it, just confirm it at the confirmation message, and after that the app will automatically update in the chosen language. And that's it. That's how you can change language in the Wise app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.